Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. Today I'll be discussing how to use Lastools to extract ground classified points from a point cloud dataset. This adds on to a different recent video where I showed how to use the OpenTopography user interface to extract and view the ground points from a dataset. So in this example, we are going to be looking at a 2019 dataset that was part of the USGS 3DEP and is located on the Kaibab Plateau of northern Arizona. So it's always a good idea to use last view to visualize what your data set looks like. So here we have last view-I/2019. And so here is our data set. It's all colored black to start with, so we don't really get a good insight for what it looks like. So let's first color by intensity. And I like to do this because it does give us something that looks a little bit more like color to see what the data set looks like. And so here we see that we have vegetation or pine trees located above the ground surface. And since we're interested in ultimately extracting points classified as ground, let's also look at classification. So here we see that the vegetation is the gray points and the ground is the orange-ish brown. All right, so now we've looked at the data set. And another thing I like to do is to use Lastinfo to get some information on the point classifications. Actually, Lastinfo 64. All right, and so here is the Lastinfo information. And in particular, what I'm going to look for are the point classifications. And so if you look towards the bottom here, it says histogram of classified points. And we see we have quite a few unclassified points. So these are going to have classification of 0.1 or of 1. And there are ground points which have classification of 2. We see that there are roughly 3 times as many unclassified points as there are ground points. So we are now going to extract and make a new point cloud file or LAZ file that contains only those ground points which have a class 2. And so Lastools has very nice information about all of the different tools. And so this is looking at last to last, which is a very helpful function for rewriting last files, which include different attributes. So for example, to take the full point cloud and extract and ultimately only have the ground points. So let's look for advice on how to do this. So we're going to look for class 2. And ultimately, we want to write a command to keep only class 2. So here it is. It's going to be last to last 64, the input file, the output file, and then keep class 2. To help ourselves, we can copy that, put it there, and then the input is going to be 2019. And the output can be 2019 underscore ground. And there we go. So it's now running. It's finished, ran quite quickly. And it's always good to verify that the command did what you wanted. So we can do last view -I 2019 ground. And then here's the last viewer. And we see that there are we appear to just see the landscape and not the overlying vegetation. And so we can do color by classification. And here we see that we only have this brown color, which indicates the ground. Or we could color by intensity. And here we can more clearly see that at least all of the major trees have been removed.